Hi, I'm Zhengyu.Yang from Monash University. Today I'll talk about how TikTok reshapes feminist activism with a focus on Me Too. Quickly outline, I'll cover why I choose TikTok, the Me Too examples I studied, the theory I use, and some preliminary findings and conclusions. I became interested because TikTok has become a real hub for young people's political engagement, very different from legacy news or long blogs. That difference drove this project. TikTok is dominated by short, multimedia, algorithmically driven videos. Because of that logic, fast circulation and visible race, activism on TikTok looks and performs differently than older media. My main curiosity, how platform mechanics, the algorithm, the sound culture, the self-branding incentives reshaped feminist arguments. In short, who gets attention and who gets left out. I looked at Me Too content from 2020 to 2023, survival testimonials, comedic skits critically sexism, and viral audio clips that build communities. I tracked how message and reshaped and spread. On TikTok, we saw three main types: short survival testimonials that fit the platform's pace, comedic sketches that mix caricature through humor, and viral sounds or trends that let people join a collective spirit. Each form shaped the message differently. My aim is to analyze how TikTok's platform logic, especially visibility and commodification, alters Me Too activism and what that means for equality and collective action. So the central question, how has Me Too activism been restricted on TikTok? And what does this reveal about potentials and the pitfall of digital feminist activism today? The question matters because TikTok can amplify voices, but it also creates new hyperregions of attention. Rosalind Gleo's idea of post-feminist products helps. Digital culture encourages women to speak out, but often within neoliberal flame of confidence, visibility, and self-branding. On TikTok, that looks like individual resilience stories being prioritized over systemic critiquing. Jepson's intersectional technopolitics shows platforms reproduce existing inequalities. On TikTok, many Me Too narratives come from white, middle-class creators, while women of color, queer people, and working-class voices are often marginalized. Stuart Hall reminds us, representation is never neutral. Media are embedded in global histories of power, so TikTok activism connects to race, class, and wider transnation inequalities. Preliminary results: TikTok does expand participation. Many people can join Me Too conversations, but the algorithm rewards shareable, entertaining formats, which can dilute deeper collective critiques and push some voices to the margins. So the platform creates a dual effect: opportunity, quick amplification and new communities, risks, communication of struggle and new attention, had reaches that prioritizes some stories over others. In short, TikTok reshapes how feminists claim are told and circulated. The platform's feminist logic, where speaking out is encouraged but within neoliberal, brand-friendly flames combined with algorithm visibilities, changes what counts as successful activism. That means we must apply intersectional perspectives to see who benefits and who is overlooked. My ongoing aim is to map this tension and offer a balanced assessment of both opportunities and limits for digital feminist activism. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.